I'm happy to announce that we have added to our beautiful collection of engraved dazzles. Now, if you're not sure what they are, I'll show you in just a second. But to begin with, you're going to see 10 sheets, each of them different, all of them with borders. That's why this is called Fancy Borders. And look at the detail. We're going to get in close so you can really see and appreciate the artwork that's here. They are all on clear material. Now that means you can just pick them up like so and place them onto your project. I'm going to show you against this black background. Isn't that stunning? Well, that's just one look. In fact, it is also stunning on white, as you can see. And how about red? Wow. And if you wanted to go with a lighter color, it's really pretty there too. It is just kind of goes with everything. Now, what I love about this, well, first of all, what I love is that this is a Paper Wishes exclusive, so that's always fun. And I'm just going to put this back down on the sheet. And as I said, every single one of these sheets is different. So you get some of the borders that are really wide like this, some that are more of a medium size, and then you get some narrow ones too. Each of them is stunning. So as I flip through them, you can really see. Now, as I said, you're going to have 10 sheets. Each of them is different, each of them in gold. But when we're done with that, you're going to get the same 10 in silver. That's right. So you're going to get 80 borders altogether, each of them wonderful. Now the sheets are 4 by 9 inches, but the borders are a little less than the 9, so they're about 8 inches long. Really, really nice for any paper crafting. Tags, cards, of course, scrapbook pages, of course. They're just going to really do the trick and make your projects ever so gorgeous. So that's what we love about these. Lots of beautiful borders, all of them right here, paperwishes.com.